morning. Okay, today we'll discuss about that isomerism of coordination compound. Okay, isomerisms in organic chemistry containing isomerisms are there, but inorganic compounds, especially coordination compound containing isomerisms are there. Okay, isomerism phenomenon is called as generally same molecular formula are there. Okay, that means molecular formula is generally same also there, same molecular formula. But arrangement of the atoms and groups are there generally structurally different and stereochemically different. Okay, the phenomenon is called generally isomerisms. Okay, isomerisms is one of the explain the stability. Okay, explain the stability also there as well as geometry as well as different type of ionization isomers also there. Okay, now there isomerisms is particular definition, same molecular formula are there, arrangement of the atoms and groups are there, structurally changes and stereochemically changes also there. Okay, that means these are two types. Okay, one is a structural isomerism, second is generally stereoisomerism. Okay, stereoisomerism also there. Okay, that means the definition is the same in organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. Molecular formula, same molecular formula, but there are different type of physical properties are there. Okay, the phenomenon is called generally isomerism. Okay, depends upon the structure, same molecular formula, yet structure are there different, that are called structural isomerism. Then connectivity is different. Okay, that means rotation about the plane polarized light and connectivity are there different, that are called stereoisomerism. Okay, depends upon the structure. Okay, structure containing there are structural isomerism are there generally following types. One is there ionization isomerism. One is there ionization isomerism. Okay, molecular formula same also there, but ions also there. Okay, inner ions as well as outer ion also there. Both are there generally interchangeable. Second is a solvated or hydrated isomerism. Solvated as well as hydrated isomerism. Third is a generally linkage isomerism also there. Okay, linkage isomerism. So it depend upon the ambidentate ligand containing linkage isomerism presence. Last is the generally coordination positional isomerism. Okay, coordination positional isomerism. Okay, there are several type of isomerisms are there, including the structural isomerisms. Okay, molecular formula is generally same, but arrangement of the atoms and groups are there. Structurally changes, it is called as a structural isomer. Structural में furtherly classified by the following types. One is the ionization isomerism, second is a hydrated isomerism, third is a linkage isomerism, fourth is a coordination isomerism. Okay, then ionization isomerism में molecular formula. Okay, that means same molecular formula. Okay, MF is generally same, but ions also they generally changes. Okay, for example, cobalt, pentaamino. Okay, pentaamino, chlorido, then sulfate also there. That means the sulfate ion as well as chloride ion both are there generally interchangeable. Okay, ions are there particularly interchangeable, that are called as ionization isomerisms. Okay, SO4 as well as chlorine also. Okay, chlorine as well as sulfur. Okay, sulfate both are there generally interchangeable. The phenomenon is called as ionization. Okay, ions are there interchangeable, that are called as ionization isomerisms. Next, hydrated isomerism. Okay, hydrated isomerism में cobalt. Okay, then hexaacco. Okay, cobalt 3 chloride also there. Okay, that means here this complex contain only the water ions as well as chlorine ions also there interchangeable. Okay, cobalt, then 5 water molecule, then chlorine, then water molecule also there as well as chlorine. Okay, Cl. Okay, that means both are the water ligand as well as chloride ligand also there interchangeable, but molecular formula both are there generally same. It is called generally solvated isomers. In third wala the linkage isomers. Okay, linkage isomers में for example cobalt also there cyanide, dicyano, then tetraamino. Okay, tetraamino also. Okay, tetraamino, dicyano, cobalt 3 ions also there. Okay, that means here cobalt, then Nc taken twice, NS3, then 4 also there as well as positive charge. Okay, that means linkage isomers also there, only ambient ligands. Okay, cyanide as well these are all are the generally ambident ligands. Okay, ambident ligands are there mostly involved by the linkage isomerism. Okay, linkage isomerism, these are all are there generally same molecular formula but different in the ambident ligand. These are all are the generally ambident ligand also there. Okay, it is called generally linkage isomerism. Okay, next example also there, coordination positional isomers. Coordination positional isomers में cobalt is there generally hexamino cobalt, then another is there generally here. Okay, copper as well as cyanide, then 6 also there. Okay, then copper hexacyanide copper, cobalt hexamino cobalt 3, then next also there cobalt, particularly potassium, platinum, then hexacyanide. Okay, that means these are two are there. Okay, these are two are molecular formula of hexamino cobalt 3, then here potassium, hexacyanide, platinum, both are there generally interact with each other. Now there A2 as well as platinum, then NH3 6, then and cobalt NH3 6, cyanide Cn 6, cyanide 6 also there. Okay, that means these two are containing. Okay, these are two are containing generally same molecular formula also there, but one is generally cationic sphere also there as well as anionic sphere also there. Okay, cationic sphere as well as anionic sphere also there, both are there generally present. Okay, for example cobalt hexamino cobalt and chromium hexacyanide chromium. Okay, these two ligands also there generally interact with each other. Okay, that means amine ligand also there shifted to here side, then cyanide ligand also there shifted to here side. Okay, it is called generally coordination positional isomers. Okay, depends upon their structural containing. Okay, depends upon their structural containing. Structural isomerisms are there following type. One is their ionization isomers, other is their generally solvated means hydrated. Okay, ionization isomers both are there, ions also there generally interchangeable. Hydrated is nothing but the water molecule also there generally interchangeable also there. Inner sphere to outer sphere. Linkage isomers, these are all are the ambident ligands. Cyanide, isocyanide, NO2, ONO, SCN, NCS. Okay, these are all are the including the linkage isomers. Okay, coordination positional isomers में especially one sphere is generally neutral, another sphere also generally negative. That means these ligands also they are interchangeable. Amine ligand is interchangeable of the chromium metal side, that cyanide interchangeable to the cobalt side. Okay, it is called generally ionization isomers. It is called as coordination positional isomers. Okay, next is the generally stereoisomers. Okay, stereoisomers is nothing but of the same molecular formula. Okay, that means arrangement of the atoms and molecule also they generally same molecular formula but different in the connectivity of the center of the ligands also they connecting of the center of atom also they as a rotation is a general same atoms are there same side, it is called as a general cis. Then same groups also they generally opposite side that are called as a trans also there. Okay, that means it is one type of isomerism that are called as a geometrical isomerism. Okay, that means stereoisomerisms are there generally there are two types. One is there geometrical isomerism, other is there generally optical isomerism. Okay, geometrical isomers में there are two types. Okay, cis isomers, same group atoms also there same side that are called as cis isomers. Same group also there generally opposite side trans isomers. Okay, that means there are different type of examples are there. Okay, A2, B2, C2, that means octahedral complexes. Okay, that means in geometrical isomerism tetrahedral complexes cannot be explained, only square planar coordination number 4 containing square planar complexes and tetrahedral complexes means coordination compound 6 containing complex compound explained by the geometrical isomers. So tetrahedral cannot be explained by the geometrical isomers. Okay, for example M2, B2, C2, M8, B2, CD, then A4, B2 also. Okay, that means two ligands are the minimum two ligands also they different in the geometrical. Okay, more than two minimum is the two ligands are they differ or 3-4 ligands also they depend. It is involved in the square planar complexes. Means coordination compound containing 4 is a square planar complexes. Coordination shifts containing M, A2, B2, C2. Then optical isomers. Okay, optical isomers is a generally connectivity is the same. Molecular formula is the same. Right? Molecular formula is the same, but connectivity, that means the light also there fall into the metal complexes. The metal complexes also their rotation about the plane polarized light. Okay, to give number of dextro as well as levo. Even there that compounds or the ligands are the rotation about the plane polarized light right side clockwise direction, it is called as a dextro, and the rotation about the left side, it is called as a generally levo also there. Okay, levo as well as anti-clockwise directions. Okay, that means in optical isomers there are number of dextro as well as levo compounds are there formed, as well as number of enantiomers are there formed. Okay, tomorrow class we are detailedly discuss about that stereoisomers. Okay, stereoisomers two types. One is a geometrical isomers, another is a optical isomers.